Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend wealth target calculation for funding travel expenses. To begin with, this example shows how dividend income can be used to estimate the amount of invested capital needed to help fund travel expenses year after year. Instead of only saving money for every trip, the idea is to build a dividend income stream that may help pay for vacations, weekend getaways, family trips, or even dream travel goals. First, estimate your annual travel expenses. In this example, the travel budget is $10,000 per year. This amount can represent flights, hotels, tours, food, transportation, and other travel-related costs. Once you know the yearly travel cost, it becomes easier to calculate the monthly income needed from dividends. Next, convert the annual travel expense into a monthly dividend income goal. Since the example travel budget is $10,000 per year, divide $10,000 by 12 months. This gives about $833 per month. So, if your dividend portfolio can generate around $833 every month, it may help cover a $10,000 yearly travel budget. After that, calculate the annual dividend income target. Since $833 per month is approximately $10,000 per year, your dividend income goal is $10,000 annually. This annual number is important because dividend yield calculations are usually based on yearly income. Then, use the dividend yield formula. The formula is simple. Target portfolio value equals annual dividend income divided by dividend yield. In this case, the annual dividend income goal is $10,000, so we divide $10,000 by different dividend yields to estimate the required investment amount. For example, if the dividend yield is 3%, then $10,000 divided by 0.03 equals about $333,333. This could help fund bigger travel goals such as international trips, business class flights, or luxury stays. Similarly, if the dividend yield is 4%, then $10,000 divided by 0.04 equals $250,000, which may support comfortable hotels, guided tours, and unique travel experiences. Next, if the dividend yield is 5%, then $10,000 divided by 0.05 equals $200,000. This may help fund family vacations, beach resorts, and adventure trips. Likewise, if the dividend yield is 6%, then $10,000 divided by 0.06 equals about $166,667, which could support budget travel, weekend getaways, or local explorations. Therefore, the key idea is that the higher the dividend yield, the less money you may need invested to fund the same travel lifestyle. However, higher yield can also come with higher risk, so it is important to focus on quality, consistency, and proper diversification. At the same time, dividends are not guaranteed. Companies can reduce, pause, or cancel dividend payments, and the value of investments can also rise or fall. For that reason, it is important to diversify across quality dividend stocks or ETFs, consider taxes and fees, and always do your own research before making investment decisions. In simple terms, if your goal is to fund $10,000 in annual travel expenses using dividends, you may need roughly $166,667 to $333,333 invested, depending on the dividend yield. This gives a clear estimate of how much capital may be required to travel today, tomorrow, and in the future using dividend income. Finally, remember that this example is for educational purposes only. It does not guarantee income, returns, or investment results. Dividend income can change over time, and market risk should always be considered. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.